Hi, I'm Damien. I'm going to teach you how to take the blood pressure using the blood pressure monitoring machine. Okay, first of all, let me just introduce the equipment that is needed for taking the blood pressure. First, you need to have a pen, a blood pressure recording sheet, the cuff, and also the machine itself. So now we will put the cuffing tubing, attach it to the machine. Over here, with the cuffing tubing, insert in, make sure it's fitted nicely. Then you can take your blood pressure. Okay, so we'll prepare the cuff, making sure that the arrow is pointing downwards and the tubing is running downwards. We'll insert to the patient. Make sure it's about 1 to 2 cm above the elbow area and wrap it nicely. Once you're done, just press the on-off switch and wait for the results to be out. Once you got the reading, record your reading on the blood pressure recording chart. 94, 61. Write down the time, which is 9:40 a.m. and the date 18 December 2018. Compare it to the chart over here. Make sure that you are in the normal level, below 130 for systolic and below 80 for diastolic. Okay, these are the no-nos when you're taking the blood pressure. First, when putting on the cuff, make sure the shirt is not underneath. It should be above the cuffing and is tight. Not too tight or not too loose. If it's too loose, the meter reading on the machine will not be accurate. Second, when you're taking the blood pressure, you're not supposed to cross your legs. Okay, both legs must remain on the ground. Third, when taking the blood pressure, you're not supposed to answer to any phone call or talking to anyone. Fifth, you're not supposed to have your hands below your heart level. Make sure it's rested on the table. Maintain a very comfortable position. Okay. 6. When you're taking the blood pressure, make sure you do not have any vigorous activities half an hour before, like smoking, eating, or even exercising.